This is Database Systems Lab Exercise 3 output. The title for this experiment is Basic SQL. Here my aim is to create a basic SQL commands using aggregate functions and group by and order by clauses and some built-in functions. Now let us go to our program. Here my first question is to find out how many customers have done the booking. So it is that the overall customers number it is asking, so I am using the count star command here. So my query is select count star from car booking. This gives a total count of the customers. My second question is to find what is the average price of luxury cars. So my query is select average base price per day from price details, that is my table name, where car type is equals to luxury. So this gives the average price of all luxury cars. So I have got the output as 1500 as average price for those luxury cars. And my third question is what is the maximum date of bookings for the cars. So I'm using the query select max, that is maximum booking date, my column name, from car booking, that is my table name. So I'm getting the maximum car booking date, that is 24 June 16. My fourth question is find out the number of bookings for each car, arrange them in ascending order. Okay. Over here the query I have used is select count customer ID from car booking, group by car ID, order by car ID ascending. So I am getting the count as 1 and 0. My fifth question is to find out the car which is booked for maximum number of days. So the query I have used here is select car ID from car booking, that is car booking table. I am using the clause subgroup by, and I am giving car ID having count return date booking minus booking date, which is equals to the subquery I have given over here is select maximum count return date minus booking date from car booking, my table name, group by car ID, that is my field name is car ID over here. I have got the output as car ID 1 or 2. My sixth question is display the customer name starting with R, that is capital R or small r. So the query I have used here is select login name from customer details, where login name like R percentage or capital R. This gives an customers with the name starting with capital R or small r. Since my table doesn't have any name starting with R, I didn't have the output over here, so it gives the output as no rows selected. My seventh question is which booking is done most recently. So the query for this is select car ID from car booking, where return date is equal to sysdate. Sysdate is our current date. So the return date, if it is equal to the sysdate, it gives the recent booking for us. Since no recent booking is done, it gives us no row selected. And my eighth question is replace the registration number which has capital X with T. So I am using update command over here. So update car details set registration number is equals to replace T with U, where registration number like U percentage. So the output is 0 row selected since nothing has started with X. Display the dollar symbol in front price. Okay. So I'm using select iPad base price per day 5 percentage symbol from price detail. So in my output it is displaying the price with the dollar symbol. My 10th question is find the car booked in leap year. The query for this is select car ID extract. This extracts the year over there. So year from return date from car booking where not extract. This command is used to find the whether it is leap year or not. that is mod extract year from return date, comma 4 is equal to 0, and mod extract year from return date, 100 greater than or less than 0, and mod extract year from return date, 400 lesser than or equal to 0. So the output for this I'm getting as car ID extract year from return date 102 2016. In the leap year 2016 I've got the car ID 102. Find the top 3 bookings of car. So the query for this I have given as select row number as rank car ID from select car ID from car booking order by. The class over here I've used this order by class, booking number, description, DSC, which gives a description where row number is lesser than or equal to 0 or 3. So I've got the first 2 ranks with the car IDs displayed for it. And my 12th question is to calculate the age of the customer using DOB and find who is the oldest. So I want to display the name of the customer, so select login name I have given over here, and I have passed the column that is sysdate minus date of birth divided by 365 as yes from customer details. So I've got the oldest customer name. My 13th question is to arrange the customer name in descending order, displaying the first name together with the second name as name. So for this the query I've used is select customer ID concat. Concat, it is used to join two strings together. The 2 strings are my first name and last name as name from customer details. I'm joining these 2 names and I'm displaying it as name from the table customer details. So I'm getting the output as 2 names concatenated together, that is the first name and last name of the same person. My 14th question, find the average booking of each car and which are all booked more than the average. Okay, so I'm using the query here as select average booking number from car booking. This gives the average booking number for the car booking table. My 15th question is find the car which is offered with minimum price. So I'm using the aggregate function minimum over here. Select minimum base price per day from price details, that is my price, it is the name of the table. So I'm getting it as minimum price is 1500. Thank you.